actually on my way to a rodeo. It's a rodeo here. I believe it's technically in Lakeland. My son Jammin, his name is Benjamin, but we call him Jammin, is riding, I believe, a sheep. It's like what the junior riders get to do, and this is like his first time doing that. You know, he wants to be a cowboy. He has a mullet, so he straight up, you know, thinks he's Morgan Wallen. Mixed between Morgan Wallen. Sometimes he wants to look like Jelly Roll. He puts like fake tattoos on his face and his neck. But really cute kid, and you know, I don't like the mullet, but it's something he really wanted, so I let him do it. And he's growing it out. Thinks he's the coolest kid ever. He thinks that, but he actually is like the coolest kid ever. One of the sweetest kids ever. But that's my son, so I'm heading to a rodeo. Figured I'd shoot a video real quick, talk to you guys. Thank you guys for all the love, because I've been slacking. My goal was to try to push at least a video a week. I was kind of doing that for like a month, and then I got lazy. It got hot. But now that the riding weather is about to come back to Florida, you should be seeing more content from me. One of my next videos, I will be doing a review of one of the newest things I installed. Well, it's not that new. I did it probably 2 or 3 months ago, but I got some Viking leather bags, and I installed them, and they look mint on my bike. Not only do they look cool, but they're very functional, very affordable. To say they were easy to put on would not be a true statement. It took a little bit of work to put them on, but I got them on. They look straight, they look good. So I will be doing a video on that. I can't remember the name or the model off the top of my head, but it is Viking, and I know they're medium size. So be on the lookout for that video. If you're in the market to throw some bags on your bike that are inexpensive, look out for that video. Maybe I might sway you to get these. I have zero partnership with Viking, not getting any commission for it, just my real, raw, honest opinion. So be looking out for those. Also, I have noticed some comments on the channel from people that live in Florida. So if that is you and you're watching this video, hit me up, throw a comment below. If you notice I don't have people riding with me in my videos, and that's not because I'm a lonely person, it's because, you know, I don't really know people that ride. So I would love to link up, get a group together, we could shoot a video together, especially if you're a motovlogger. Let's get together, let's ride, you know, go get lunch or something, do like a group ride. I think that'd be cool. But I'm in this group for Sportster S's, and I commented in there about people that have a Sportster S. They're, you know, they're having some technical difficulties with them. As you all know, I talked about that. But still comment in that group, and I was like, hey, notice you're in Florida. And then like all these other people started commenting. They're like, me too. Oh, me three. And we kind of all were just like, hey, we're all kind of close to each other. Let's all get together. So hopefully I'll have a video coming up soon about a group ride, and I guarantee all of them dudes are going to be on Sportster S's. I'm going to be here on the beautiful Lowrider S. Maybe I'm going to talk them into getting one, because, you know, I was swayed to get one. If not, you know, it's just cool just to ride around with some people. So look out for that video that will be upcoming. And I made it. I'm here at the rodeo where my son is gonna ride something. Now I gotta figure out where to park. All right, well, we're gonna check it out. Never been here before, so maybe I'll shoot some footage. I'm recording.
You are?
I'm recording. Want me to hold your pen?
What?
Yeah, hold your pen.
Get that arm back.
Benjamin, you're gonna ride? He's gonna ride. I can't believe he's gonna ride.
I just ran into them. She said he's riding. I had no idea. I'm so excited.
You trying to shoot it up?
Yeah.
Face up. It's on.
Okay, boys.
Let's go. Go.
What was that sheep like, Rowan?
All it was just standing there. I was spurring it, and all it was just standing there. Yep.
It's okay.
Are you gonna go? Are you gonna hang on? Are you gonna fly?
I would do sport.
Benjamin. Hey, Benjamin, do you want to
Do you have anything to say, Ben?
what?
You have anything to say?
Wish me good luck. Wish me good luck.
Benjamin John.
Ben, you gotta sit on it, Ben.
Wrap your arms around.
Wrap your arms around. Wrap your arms around.
You ready? Go. Well, you ready? 1, 2, 3, go.
Wrap your arms.
So bad.
How was it?
Good.
Were you scared?
Not really. I'm all dirty.
Ben, show me your back.
What?
Let me see your back.
Good job, buddy.
So
What do you think
never.
about it?
Pretty bad. I got wet.
All right, so that was the rodeo. Showed some video of my little man. He lasted all of like 1 second, but hey, it was his first time. I was worried he wasn't gonna do it and gonna be scared, but really proud of him for doing that. So good job, Jam. He got all muddy, but hey, he did it. He was a little scared, but he still did it. So I'm proud of you, buddy. But yeah, it was pretty cool. I've never been there before. Little like rodeo event here in Lakeland. Like $10 to get in. And yeah, there's a lot of people there. A lot of showcasing, I guess, like local talent. It was pretty cool. They had some like barrel races, some like teenagers on horses. My son did the, I guess they call it like the mutton, where they just throw them on a sheep, they hang on for dear life, they open the gate and hope they don't fall off. But he ran into his best friend Rowan there, which I also got video of. And Rowan, what's up, bro? Rowan literally like held on the entire time, but the sheep he was on like didn't buck him or anything. He just kind of walked. It was kind of lame. But I felt bad because it was Rowan's moving, so it was his last time, you know, riding, and it wasn't that thrilling or exciting. And he was even talking crap to the sheep when he got off. He's like, man, that sheep sucked. But I got some video of him too. Sure you guys watched it already because I put it in some of the B-roll. But yeah, pretty cool event. Something to do on a, you know, Saturday with your family. And if you have any kids my age, super sick, they want to ride something and get into riding, be cool. The only thing I'm into riding is a motorcycle, baby. You won't catch me hopping on no horse or bull. Oh, I'm scared of that. My kid's braver than me. But I'll get on this thing that has hundreds of horses on it for sure. But yeah, hope you guys enjoyed the video. Coming with me to the rodeo. Look at that beautiful, beautiful sunset. And the beautiful weather. It's gonna drop down to like 65 to 68 tonight. So excited for that. Excited to be riding more and make more content now that it's not 5,000 degrees outside. But yeah, you guys stay safe. Let me say what's up to this dude. And I'll catch you guys on the next video.